Okay, the question says that we should calculate the value of y in the figure below. So without wasting time, we are looking for this. So what do? Let us first of all work with this part. This is angle on a straight line. It simply means that let's call a straight line means x 1.7 is equal to 180 degree. So on that note, if we make x the subject formula, it simply means that we have to subtract 147 from both sides. So it simply means that 180 minus 147 will be equal to 33. X is equal to 33. So at this point now, we know that here is 33. This part of the angle is 33, and here this y and this are alternate angle. So it simply means that y and x are alternate angle. So it means that y is equal to